Alright guys, so welcome back to a new video, and as you can see the Saturn is back, and it's because we got to pull this engine out of it. Basically, we were cruising around one night and we drove into some flood water.
You what?
Alright, so we were driving around one night and we saw some flood water, and our friend went ahead and drove through it with his car. So we thought, oh okay, well this won't be any big deal for the car. And then when we drove through it, the low air intake sucked water up into the engine and it hydrolocked it and it died.
We all just stopped. Everything just shut down.
And the water wasn't that deep, but we had a low ground intake, air intake into it, so it sucked some water up into the engine and it's hydrolocked. So we're going to pull the engine out, and in another video we're going to be dropping the new one back in.
Yep.
Here we are. We pulled the hood off of it. We're going to start by just removing the shrouds and whatnot.
Flushing out the radiator.
Alright guys, so we removed the radiator fan and we removed the AC compressor. We've got pretty much all the housings and shrouds out of it. Now we're just marking the wiring so we'll know where it goes back. And yeah, we're about ready to start pulling it. Undone the exhaust manifold. So yeah, we're just going to go back over and double check everything. Another thing that you should remove when pulling this engine, there's a mount that mounts underneath the transmission right here. And just undo that, and that'll just let you pull the transmission back more and make it easier to separate the engine from the transmission. Alright guys, so when we were trying to pull the engine apart from the transmission, it just wouldn't come apart. And we went underneath and looked, and there's this half shaft, and it's actually bolted to the back of the engine. So we watched a lot of videos on YouTube, and none of the videos told us about removing the half shaft and pulling the engine. So we don't know if this is something that maybe is just on the manuals, but anyway, we just thought we would like to let you guys know that if you're going to be pulling an engine from one of these Saturns, check the half shaft, make sure that's unbolted from the engine. Alright guys, so we just pulled the engine out, it looks good. And in the next video we're going to show you what the inside of a hydrolocked engine looks like. So that's going to be pretty interesting. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like this video, and come in and see you guys next time.